Hi everyone, I've got an unboxing video for you today. I've been sent this parcel by the Georgie Smedley Group, which is really nice for them. I've got no idea what's in it, and as you can see, the parcel is big enough for me to not be able to get it in the whole thing in camera view. But yeah, I'm going to open it now and let's take a look together at what's inside. Right, I need some scissors. Let's see. Okay, actually I don't want to use those. Those are my good scissors. Those are my crap scissors. Here we go. Oh, actually, no, I'll use this. Trusty craft knife. Right, let's open it. Okay. Okay, what's in here? Let's have a look. What have I got? What's this? What is this? So this is, hand and foot cream, maple spice, and what's this? Oh, like a soak, effervescent soak, maple spice. Mix 1 teaspoon in a manicure bowl or 2 to 3 teaspoons in a pedicure bowl of medium to hot water for manicure and pedicure treatments. Let's go give this a smell. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, they're like little they look, you know, like when you get like bath salts for your bath. They look a bit like that. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's those. What else have I got? So cuticle remover from All That Jazz, maple spice, and massage lotion. Very nice. Can't wait to give those a go. And I don't know what this is. Oh, cuticle oil. Can never have too much of that. Perfect. Oh my God. Yes. There's some more stuff in here, so I'm hoping that there's get my hopes up early, that there's these sponges and things. But I've really wanted to try this Aero puffing thing for ages. So I've got a chrome gel paste here and a colour gel paste. Does it say what colour? Oh, I'm guessing it's like these are the sort of colours. And I've also got a reusable stencil, so that will be interesting. I can't wait to try these. I think this is some more Aero puffing stuff. Sorry, I'm not very good at keeping in front of the camera here because this is such a massive box. I'll try and move back a bit. Right, what have we got here? The Aero puffing No Cleanse Matte Top Coat, which says cure for 30 seconds in LED, can't read, cure for 30 seconds in a 36 watt LED light. Perfect. And oh, here it is, my puffing tool. It's got 2 heads to it, so that's the more round head and that one's a slightly pointy one. I have to look it up, but I think that the different heads are useful for different things. I can't remember which one's better for what, but I think it might be like the more rounded ones, like good for like doing your gel polish ombre. But so that's what I really want to try this for, is doing the gel polish ombre. I've seen some other people use this and it looks absolutely wicked, so I cannot wait to try that out. And that's the Aero Puffing No Cleanse Gel Top Coat, so that must be the shiny one. Oh my god, this is so exciting. What else have I got in here? Something else from All That Jazz, I think. This is hand and foot scrub. Yes, love hand and foot scrub. Oh, yeah, it's like a sugary scrub. Oh my god, it smells good enough to eat. Delicious. What else have I got here? All That Jazz, the Opulence collection. I'll get those out in a sec. And All That Jazz, the Bridal Party collection. Okay, let's open them. Let's see. Okay. Right, how can I open this without ruining anything? Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. So these ones are the bridal collection ones. So this one, which is, does it have a name? Champagne Toast. That looks beautiful. And then the next one is Kiss the Bride. Nice pink. That looks nice. I've actually got a friend that's getting married in a couple of months and she's coming to me for her nails and she likes a regular polish as opposed to gel, so maybe these will tickle her fancy a bit. This one's lovely. I love this. I love that like pearlescent look. Absolutely gorgeous. And this looks like a kind of very pale pink. I don't know if that picks up on my camera or if it just looks white, but this is the first dance and it looks like a very, very pale pink. I think on my camera it looks white, but it is a pink. It's just a very, very pale kind of off-white pink. Lovely. So let's open this one now. This is the Opulence collection. It's like a right little surprise, like, because it's, oh no, actually it's got some little holes to give you a bit of a peek, but I wanna get in there and really check these colours out. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with this one. So this is called Oyster. It looks like it's got a kind of shimmer to it. And it's like a, again, that's like a very light grey, sort of off-white colour. That looks lovely. And then this one is called Riviere. Oh, I love pearlescent polishes with shimmering. Oh my god. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting the colour shift to be like that. Look, it's almost like a purple. Oh my god, that is stunning. I need to do mine now soon, so these are well received. My nails are a state, look at them. Ah! So this one is called Rosa. I think this is a popular name. at the moment for like rose goldy colours. I've got a few different things called Rosa. Another nice shimmery, fine glittery, beautiful. And then the last one from this collection, this is a solid matte colour. Well, not a matte finish, but you know what I mean, like a solid colour. There's no shimmer in this by the looks of things. And this is called Bordeaux. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. That's the kind of colour that, you know, you have those one size fits all colours, don't you, that will look nice on everyone. Oh, I've got a box in a box. So, let's see what that is. What did I do with my knife? Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, ooh. Ah, what have I got here then? Aha, some gel polishes from Gelish. Let's take a look. So, this one is, where does it say the name? Ah, On Cloud Mine. And I've got all the little, that's nice, they've sent me all the little swatches. So that's this one here, On Cloud Mine. And then, what's this one? This is Cool My Blush, which is this one here. I love my pinks. You can never have too many pinks. I think even if you're not a girly girl, people just still like pink. Barely Buff, that one there. And then this one is Going Vogue, which is this one here. And I've got, this one is It's Your Mauve. That's lovely, that one. Gorgeous colours. I cannot wait to try these out, and this one must be I Speak Chic. Lovely. Wow. I like this little stand that they've sent me. I don't know how to put it together though. I don't want to break it, so I'm going to do that off camera because I feel like I'm trying to do it while videoing. Editor's picks. Oh wow, look. This must be all the colours. Beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to... Oh look, I've got a little stand to put them in. I'm going to put them in now. So, what have I got here? It's Your Mauve. I love this. I wish I had a stand for all of them. Gorgeous. How good's that? My little stand. I have to tip it back so that you can see. Amazing. So yeah, wow, I've really been sent quite a lot of stuff to try out. So I'll have to let you all know. I'll just turn it so that you can see it. I'm trying to show you all what's here. So I've got all of these. I've got my Aero puffing gel top coats here, and my tool, my paints, cuticle oil, stencils, all of these beautiful nail polishes. So yeah, wow, what a haul. Amazing. Thank you very much, Georgie Smedley Group, for sending me these products to have a go with. Yeah, so I'll hopefully be doing a video soon of me using some of these products and let you know what I think of them. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.